which of the following are considered as financial instruments? फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट मोटर व्हीकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है क्या? ऑब्वियसली बात है. सो 2 इज नॉट देयर, ETF is there, currency swap is there, 1 and 3 are there. Answer is D. प्लीज डोंट आस्क मी टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज ETF एंड करेंसी स्वैप, वो मैं भी एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकता हूँ. ठीक है, जिनके क्लास में मैंने बताया हुआ है, जिनमें नहीं बताया छोड़ो, पढ़ लेना अपने आप. अभी बता नहीं सकता है, बहुत देर लग जाएगी इसको बताने में. ETF सिंपल, ETF is kind of a mutual fund that is traded on stock market. That is what ETF is. A mutual fund is not tradable on stock market. MF stock market के ऊपर tradable instrument नहीं है. And ETF is a special kind of MF that gets traded on stock market. That is ETF. Currency swap. Currency swap क्या होता है? It's an agreement between two central banks wherein they allow each other to exchange currency at a predetermined exchange rate. Today, $1 is 90 rupees, let's say. At this price, we are paying large amount of money for importing goods or not. Let's say crude oil. क्रूड का प्राइस जो कि लेट्स से पहले भी $100 था और लेट्स से अभी भी $100 है. We were paying at this rate, we were paying 8,000 rupees for one barrel of crude oil. At this rate, we are paying 9,000 rupees for one barrel of crude oil. That means effectively for us crude has become expensive or not? Why? Because dollar has appreciated or rupee has depreciated, right? So when foreign currency appreciates, meaning domestic currency depreciates, when this happens, it becomes difficult for a country to import things, import necessary goods. In this case, what happens is to prevent itself from such shocks, कि हमारी currency depreciate कर सकती है, to protect ourselves from such shocks, we enter into agreements with our friendly countries. जैसे इंडिया जापान के साथ एग्रीमेंट कर सकता है, कर रखा है इंडिया ने, करेंसी स्वैप एग्रीमेंट. अंडर दैट एग्रीमेंट, इंडिया एंड जापान हैव अग्रीड दैट इन केस इंडियन करेंसी डेप्रिशिएट्स, then Japan will provide dollars to us at a previous fixed exchange rate. Similarly, if Japanese yen depreciates, India will provide dollars to Japan at a predetermined exchange rate. That's a currency swap agreement. हम swap करेंगे at a predetermined exchange rate. That is what a swap agreement. These agreements are also traded on stock markets. These are also financial instruments. तो ये भी statement सही है. Statement 1 is right, 3 is right. Answer is 1 and 3 D.